Hey guys, how are you today? So, hope you are in good health. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are right now. So, today we're discussing the installation of equipment devices, which is related fire and gas, guys. So, we'll see how it works, and you have an idea, basic idea of this installation, which is related the fire and gas. I give you some minor explanation, which is we will start now. So, for example, guys, this is ICSS. This is Integrated Control System, and DCS is the fire and gas, HMI, ECMS, ECMS, SIS. So, meaning this is all control system integrated. So this is belongs to the ICSS. Some of this control that's coming from DCS is the fire and gas, and we have HMI, and we have also electrical control monitoring system and safety integrated safety. Okay, so before we proceed the installations, so all the devices or and equipments that you need to provide or do the testing, what we call that FAT and IFAT. So meaning factory acceptance testing and also integrated factory acceptance testing. So we do that in our vendor facilities. So in order to verify the system, and we have a tested the system and installation, and we will check the philosophy of your system. So every equipment, for example, DCS, fire and gas, ESD, we have a philosophy that one, in order that we will know what we need to check and verify. Okay, and so on and so forth based on your experiences. That's to be combined with your procedures and philosophy. Okay, and we do that. So how do you verify, and what is your basis? You need to verify and check equipment installation devices. You have to check equipment tags during the activities. Description, is this correct description based on that approved drawing, design drawing? Check the layout installation, guys. Is that correct layout installation based on your drawing? So graphic, you need to check the graphic, display, faceplate, and logic, cause and effects as well. We have cause and effects for our instrumentation, fire and gas instrumentation, alarm, fault, trip test, and sequence and other tests as per procedure and philosophy. All right, and with the help of our vendors, they are helping you to proceed all of this testing. Okay, so now we proceed for our installation. In order to do that, so based on that testing, as we done earlier during the FAT and integrated FAT activities, we have done this all the testing. So now this equipment, these devices will uh, delivered to your facilities in your material. So next, you have to do the material receiving, acceptance of these devices, and now approve everything is okay, and that's the time you install at site. So now I will give you the example here. This is our plastic beacon. This is the loudspeaker, and this is our plastic beacon, which is red and blue. Okay, now we need to install. When we installing this, based on your IFC drawing. So meaning IFC drawing, this is approved from engineering contractor, and then it's approved by the client and ready for installation. But take note, guys, this installation can be interchanged, should be the same like that. For example, I will put the loudspeaker in the center. Is that okay? Is that correct? Or else I will put this blue color b- flashing beacon in the center. Is that correct? What is your basis? All right. So basis, you need to check your installation details. You need to check your layout. You need to check your 3D model. Okay, being a construction engineer, construction supervisor, foreman, if you install this, what is your business? Of course, IFC drawing, layout. Okay, now the installation details is correct. This is the installation layout and this is the orientation of your equipment, the devices installed. The red color, the red beacon is in the center. Take note guys, Katsi. Take note, during the installation, the loudspeaker installed in the center. That is the correct one. Basically, wherever I go, based on the project, I seen in the project for how many years, from Saudi, Qatar, and up to here in UAE, the loudspeaker, this is a speaker, should be in the center based on my experiences. And when I was a designer, that's I will put this speaker in the center as well. So meaning, so there is a different style. No? So every designer or engineers who design, there's a different thinking. So that's why you follow the installation. All right. Now the problem is when you replace this during your installation, let's say a speaker in the center or blue in the center. Take note, guys, what's happening. Okay. Now you need to verify your system because during your FAT and integrated FAT activities, their design drawing, it's different based on your installation details, based on your installation layout. So as per FAT or IFAT, integrated FAT activities, the installation of this speaker is in the center. But in that drawing, in your construction drawing or shop drawing, the bacon red color, it's in the center. Now, what is the issue? Just take note. Remember this. We have an issue this. Why? In the system, under vendor activities, vendor program, this speaker in the center. Meaning, you need to install this speaker at the center in order to fulfill your system that which is has been completed during the FAT activities at the vendor facilities because these cables connected to in the other GB and this one connected and this one connected and your graphic will be affected in this position. So if this happening and this is a lot of installation like this, so we have a issue, we have a problem. Why? You need to update your graphic in the system of the vendor during the FAT because after that the vendor will come at site. They are the one who helping you to do the testing all of this fire and gas system. So now they will check based on this installation and they found that this is wrong. That's why we have an issue. Be careful, graphic will be changed. So it's very simple, but it's crucial. Okay, that's why you need to understand and all of that punch list. It's happening at FAT that should be closed and then verify, update the drawing wherever mistake of the drawing should be captured and updated so that we can see the actual installation details layout in your construction activities. Alright? So QC, when the QC inspects, sir, this one is as per installation details, sir, this one as per layout, 3D, blah blah blah, etc. But they don't know during the FAT activities that we have an issue. We have a graphic as per the layout, it's different. Okay? So it's very easy, it's crucial and technical. You need to learn and you need to watch this during your activities if you do the activities like this. All right, so take note. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you. Bye bye.